Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Friday the 20th. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it finally out of the coldness. Now spring is finally here, I believe. But we have a special package today from Amazon Prime. Check them out. Volport. Really good company. Something for you guys with your cell phones, tablets. Probably gaming devices might be able to hold up. Like a Switch. You might be able to use this for. But really good people. And really cool item to have. Boom. The universal magnetic car mount. You can mount this anywhere. Your car. Pretty much everywhere. 3M adhesive, 2 sizes for tablets and other things. 360 rotatable magnetic. Alright, let's get cracking. This is a two-pack special they got. And also they got the single ones. And pretty much all phones, iPhones, Galaxies, Notes, I do believe, and tablets, iPads, all that good stuff. So like I said, we got the 2-pack right here. These are come in handy. Definitely, I got some use for these coming up. I got to put my other tablet on one of these for my security camera. There we go. Oh man, come on. There we go. Nice and easy. And boof. Ah, this thing's small. Picture look big. This thing's tiny. There's everything. Oh. We got the plates right here. Volport. Check them out. There we go. We got the sticky stuff. We got the adhesives. Man. Right here. This is for like the tablets and cell phones. All that. The alcohol wipe to wipe it down, clean the surface. I'm not sure what those for, but here she is. Volport. Tiny sucker. Here is the tablet size one. I'm going to do the tablet. Got that on standby. There we go. Nice metal right there. I do believe should be easy. Oh, I think you put it. So this is the holder. Oh, dang. Check that out. Bam. Strong. So that's how it goes. You slap that on. Boom. Then you take one of these. Slap it onto your phone or your tablet. Definitely, it'll hold its own. Really cool. So check them out, YouTubers. And you guys be safe. Have a great weekend. And I'll see you guys probably tomorrow. If not, see you guys back on Monday. See ya.